Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox the Dell wireless KM7120W keyboard and mouse combo. This keyboard is relatively new in the Indian market. It is a wireless keyboard and mouse combo with support for up to 3 devices. Here's what we get from the box. The packaging of the product is done well, as expected from the Dell brand. Given the plastic material of the keyboard was a bit heavier than I expected it to be. The design of the mouse is really attractive. We also get 3 AA size batteries within the package. And as usual, the documentation. Here's the first look. The keyboard is slim in size, compact and very good looking. Here is a side profile of the keyboard. The keyboard, though made up of plastic material, doesn't seem like it. Here we get the power on and off button. Let's flip it over and check the batteries. I like how Dell has kept the branding minimal for the product. We get all the technical information of the keyboard in the battery compartment, thus keeping the look stylish and minimal. We have also got a rupee symbol on the keyboard. Here comes the mouse. We get the receiver within the mouse. Here we insert the battery into the mouse. The lid of the mouse attaches magnetically to the top. The mouse also has forward and backward button for web browsing. Overall feel of the mouse is good as expected. Typing on the keyboard also feels good, especially if you have used a MacBook keyboard before. The feedback is tactile and I like the way the keyboard sounds. Here comes the mouse. The mouse also has support for 3 Bluetooth devices. the mouse feels comfortable in the hand and traveling screen space feels good. The scroll wheel though is a bit loose, but I think that is done on purpose. Overall experience using the mouse was good. I could scroll through and drag easily without any lag or jitter. The clicks of the mouse also feel good. Thank you for watching this video.